My son Sean is turning 5 and we're gonna have a really fun at-home Mario themed birthday party. I'm gonna do a really cool backdrop here with like the bricks that Mario punches. I'm so excited to show you how I'm gonna make this with just cardboard boxes. Who said at-home birthday parties have to be expensive? I did this under $25. So the first thing I did was I ran to the dollar store and I got blue wrapping paper. And this is what I'm gonna use for my backdrop. Now, of course, I could do something like paint it, but why would I do that? So I just cut this down to strips that measured the height of my wall. And I taped it using Scotch tape. I've used Scotch tape for a lot of birthday parties. It's really great because it's strong, but when you peel it off, it doesn't peel the paint. Since I wanted to make this as budget friendly as possible, I got some moving boxes. I think these were just like $2 each. I made sure they were all uniform sizes. In Mario, there's like the bricks they punch, and then there's also the question mark. So for the question marks, I just got poster board from the dollar store. We're gonna wrap the boxes. I printed the question mark on my Cricut machine. You could just cut these out by hand, but these were really fun and they made a huge impact because the kids were so excited to pretend punch them.
So I'm using black electrical tape to trace out the shape of the bricks. You could also use marker, but I think this will just stand out a bit more. And also if you want, you could like draw it out with a ruler first. I'm just eyeballing it.
To hang up these boxes on the wall, I was trying to figure out what the best way would be. I can't tape them to the wrapping paper because it will just fall off the wall. So I think I'm gonna make a hole in the wrapping paper, put the command hook on so it's actually on the wall, and then make a hole in the box and hook the box on. I'm not sure if this is gonna work. So I hooked it on and this works, so that's perfect. So we'll do the rest of the thing. I'm actually gonna put toothpaste on each and every one of these hooks. And then I'm gonna stick the box. I need to see where on the box I need to make this hole. I topped this off with a little gold Mario balloon to make it really have that Mario effect. Okay, I have one of these cement molds. I was gonna make a coffee table 100 years ago and then I never did, but I think this will be perfect for the Mario pipe. I'm just wrapping it with green Bristol board that I got from the dollar store. As you can see, the recurring theme of the dollar store. Now we gotta make the pipe look a little bit 3D, so I'm using these cups to just make the top of the pipe stick out, and then again adding glue gun and a piece of cardboard. Guys, I was really just winging this, but I love how it's coming together. Next, I gotta make a Piranha Plant, so I'm using this, and I have some leftover paint. This is like that thing that comes inside the gift wrapping. Just paint this really fast. Now I'm literally using garbage to make this, but it's so magical. Okay, so this will be our Piranha Plant. Yeah, so I'm using vinyl for my Cricut because I didn't get the red plates. Now I'm using more vinyl to make the little dots for the Piranha Plant so I can sticker them onto the plant as well. I mean, come on, isn't this so cute? This looks like a real Piranha Plant. The creativity is really flowing. I use plates to make the gold coins. The Mario background wouldn't be complete with the rolling hills, so I got green wrapping paper and I made little hills out of it and taped it right on. This really helps to complete the backdrop. Funny enough, my son does not like cake, so he loves Timbits. So I made him a little Timbit tower and I got these adorable little figures. I'll link them below. And I thought I would just add them to the tower and make it really fun for him. And here it is, the completed birthday party backdrop. I love this. And when I tell you that all the kids at the birthday party were just floored, they were beyond excited. They were pretending to punch it. We got lots of fun photo ops in there. And this was so inexpensive and easy that anyone could do. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for more budget-friendly ideas.